Hi everyone, here we are at tjmax and I thought I'd walk through and take a look at their shoes. Okay, so they have, this one here is $19.99. Who makes this? Danskin. That's what those look like. And what is that one? That one's reduced to $25. Okay. Let's see, these boots right here. Here's the tag, 7. And that is $16.99. I like those boots. They're nice. They're so nice. Okay, look at these, $12.99. Those are so pretty. These are Nautica. Oh, look at these. Aren't these pretty? I like those. Those are $19.99. They're so pretty. And these, cushion, $19.99. These are Nautica, so the Danskin ones are $19.99. And how much is the Nautica? $24.99. These are Reeboks, $29.99, and that's what those look like. And these here are Steven. I like that shoe. $34.99. And then look at these. Those are so pretty. Skechers, and those are $29.99. Here's another one of those. Very pretty. Some more of the boots along the top here. So I'm liking these. Memory foam, $19.99. Here they go. And then these, JBU, $24.99. Those are really nice. Look at these boots. $29.99 for those boots. Okay, these are Adidas, and these are $49.99. That's what they look like from the side. Okay, the Zion Klein. Aren't those pretty? Look at the quality of that leather. So those, $39.99. Very pretty shoe. Let's see. I like these boots. $16.99. I'm really liking that shoe. That says 7. Here's Calvin Klein pair. Oh, look at these. Cushion Air. $16.99. Those look so comfortable. So these are Calvin Klein, and these are $39.99. Okay. Let's see these wreaths over here. These are so beautiful. Okay. These are $24.99. This is a boxwood wreath. And these are $24.99. Very pretty. So these guys are all $24.99. Let's see how they look on the other side. Oh, look at these. Guys, I'm all over the place. Okay, Love, Hope, and Faith. So these are like pretend books. Okay, so these over here, they say be happy, be kind, be you. Home sweet home. These are so adorable, aren't they? Baked with love. I'm loving these. So these are $9.99. These are a little bit bigger. And these are Ray Dunn. Okay, so these are $9.99. Wouldn't they make nice gifts? So they have a 3-tier right here with those. Oh, here's a lemon wreath for $29.99. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? And then look at this one. This is like feathers. I don't see a tag. Wait, here it is. $19.99. Look at that. Very pretty. And look at these flowers. Okay, so these are $9.99. Absolutely beautiful. And then look at that one. So they're in the same range. And let's see, look at this. The sitting stool here is $129.99. And it's made in India. Look how pretty that is. Very pretty. Okay guys, so thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx just to browse, and I'll see you guys in the next video.